If we are responsible, the future will be good for the future generations. Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023. Chapter XXIV, General Provisions, as to Inquiries and Trials, Sections 288 to 299. Chapter XXIV of the Bharatiya Nagarik Suraksha Sanhita, BNSS, 2023, outlines general provisions applicable to inquiries and trials conducted under the Act. Sections 288 to 299 provide a comprehensive framework to ensure that inquiries and trials are conducted in a fair, transparent, and efficient manner. These sections cover various procedural aspects, including the taking of evidence, the use of medical examinations, and the handling of specific circumstances that may arise during the legal process. Section 288, Evidence to be taken in presence of accused. Section 288 mandates that all evidence in a trial must be taken in the presence of the accused, ensuring that they have the opportunity to hear and challenge the evidence against them. Key points. Presence requirement ensures the accused can participate in their defense. Fair trial upholds the principle of a fair trial. This section is fundamental for maintaining transparency and fairness in the judicial process. Section 289, Dispensing with personal attendance of accused. Section 289 allows the court to dispense with the personal attendance of the accused in certain circumstances, such as when the accused is represented by a legal practitioner, or their presence is not necessary for the proceedings. Key points. Judicial discretion. The court can decide when the accused's presence is not required. Efficiency helps streamline the trial process. This provision ensures flexibility in the judicial process while safeguarding the accused's rights. Section 290. Procedure when absconding accused is not found. Section 290 outlines the procedure to be followed when the accused absconds and cannot be found, including issuing a proclamation and attaching their property. Key points. Proclamation, public notice requiring the accused to appear. Property attachment provides a mechanism to pressure the accused to surrender. This section ensures that absconding accused persons are given a fair opportunity to appear while providing measures to compel their attendance. Section 291, Evidence of medical witnesses. Section 291 allows for the submission of medical reports and the examination of medical witnesses, facilitating the use of medical evidence in trials. Key points. Medical reports can be submitted as evidence. Expert testimony. Medical professionals can be called to testify. This provision ensures that medical evidence is properly considered in the judicial process. Section 292. Record of evidence in absence of accused. Section 292 permits the recording of evidence in the absence of the accused under specific conditions, such as when the accused is disrupting proceedings or is voluntarily absent. Key points. Exceptions allows evidence to be recorded without the accused in certain situations. Judicial control. The court oversees the process to ensure fairness. This section balances the need to proceed with the trial and the rights of the accused. Section 293. Deposition of medical witnesses. Section 293 provides that the deposition of medical witnesses taken at a preliminary inquiry may be used as evidence in the trial, reducing the need for repeated appearances by medical professionals. Key points. Use of depositions allows prior depositions to be used in the trial. Efficiency reduces the burden on medical witnesses. This provision streamlines the use of medical evidence while maintaining its integrity. Section 294, Report of Public Servants. Section 294 allows the submission of reports by public servants as evidence, provided they are relevant to the case. Key points. Public servant reports can be submitted as evidence. Relevance must be pertinent to the case at hand. This section facilitates the inclusion of official reports in the judicial process. Section 295, Record in unfamiliar language. Section 295 requires that if evidence is recorded in a language not understood by the accused, it must be translated for them to ensure comprehension. Key points. Translation requirement ensures the accused understands the evidence. Fair trial upholds the rights of the accused. This provision ensures that language barriers do not impede the accused's right to a fair trial. Section 296. Power to postpone or adjourn proceedings. Section 296 grants the court the power to postpone or adjourn proceedings as necessary, providing flexibility to accommodate unforeseen circumstances. Key points. Judicial discretion. The court can adjourn proceedings when necessary. Flexibility helps manage the trial process effectively. This section ensures that the court can respond to changing circumstances while maintaining the integrity of the trial. Section 297. Expenses of complainants and witnesses. Section 297 outlines the procedure for covering the expenses of complainants and witnesses, ensuring that financial constraints do not hinder their participation in the trial. Key points. Expense coverage ensures complainants and witnesses are reimbursed. Access to justice facilitates participation by reducing financial barriers. This provision supports the involvement of key participants in the judicial process. Section 298. Record of evidence in summary trials. Section 298 specifies the requirements for recording evidence in summary trials, ensuring that even expedited proceedings maintain a clear and concise record. Key points. Concise records. Summary trials require brief but clear records. Transparency maintains accountability in expedited trials. This section ensures that summary trials are documented sufficiently to uphold justice. Section 299. Mode of taking and recording evidence. Section 299 provides general guidelines for taking and recording evidence, ensuring consistency and accuracy across different types of trials. Key points. Uniform procedure ensures evidence is recorded consistently. Accuracy maintains the integrity of the judicial process. This provision establishes a standard approach to recording evidence, ensuring reliability and fairness. Summary. Chapter XXIV of the BNSS 2023 sets out general provisions for inquiries and trials, ensuring a fair, transparent, and efficient judicial process. Sections 288 to 299 cover essential aspects such as the presence of the accused during evidence taking, procedures for absconding accused, the use of medical and public servant reports, and guidelines for recording evidence. These provisions balance the need for procedural flexibility with the rights of the accused, ensuring that justice is administered effectively and fairly. By establishing clear guidelines, this chapter upholds the principles of natural justice and maintains the integrity of the criminal justice system. Stay informed. Live in comfort.